Welcome back to Apple Field. It's time for some baseball. Now batting, center fielder, number 15, Withers Cohen.
That's a strike.
You couldn't get water if you go right at it.
Now batting, the right fielder, number 16, Sullivan Wilcox.
Pitch hard. Ball. No, that's outside.
Now batting, the designated hitter, number 5, Jane Hensley.
That's a strike. Fair ball.
Now batting, the left fielder, number 27, Shane Haberhead.
Ball inside. That low. See, roll three.
Now batting,
Play ball.
the right fielder, number 51.
That's a strike.
Can't tell the difference just by listening.
Now batting, the left fielder, number 8.
That's a strike.
Now batting, the first baseman, number 23, Austin Dean.
Pitch hard. High. They're out.
Now batting, the third baseman, number 61, Leon Montgomery.
Low ball. Foul ball. Out.
Now batting, the second baseman, number 33, Noel Perez. Now batting, the shortstop, number 31, Ariana Juarez.
Foul ball. Foul ball. You're out.
Now batting, the first baseman, number 49, Blade Lane.
Hey. Foul ball. They're out.
The second baseman, number 4.
Ball. No, inside. There's the swing. Steve. Oh!
There we go, boys!
Now batting, the catcher, number 27.
There's the swing. Ball high. Pitch hard.
Now batting, the shortstop, number 10.
No, low. Steve. Oh!
The designated hitter, number 22.
Nope, that's high. Ball. That's down. That's ball four.
Now batting, the third baseman, number 2.
There's the swing. Steve.
Now batting, the catcher, number 22, Gia Bradshaw.
Steve. That's the swing. No, no.
Now batting, the center fielder, number 15, Withers Cohen.
Ball that's low. That's inside. Ball, ball. Ball. Ball, ball.
Now batting, the right fielder, number 16, Sullivan Wilcox.
There's the swing. High.
Is your slugger feeling sluggish? Now batting, the center fielder, number 17.
No, inside. Steve. Ball, ball.
Now batting, the right fielder, number 51. Austin Dean. Now batting, the second baseman, number 4.
That's right. Nope, inside.
Oh, you couldn't even throw one, man.
Now batting, the catcher, number 27.
That's a strike. That's outside. Ball. Ball. Take it back.
Now batting, the shortstop, number 10.
Out.
Now batting, designated hitter number 5,
Jaylene Hensley.
That's a strike. Ball. There's a strike. Ball. That's low.
now batting, the left fielder number 27,
Shane Hammerhead.
That's inside. Ball inside. Oh!
now batting, the third baseman number 61, Leon Montgomery.
No, outside. Ball that's low.
Now batting, the designated hitter, number 22.
That's inside.
You couldn't strike him.
Nope, that's hard.
Now batting, the third baseman, number 2.
There's the strike.
You can go home.
Nope, inside. There's a strike.
Center fielder, number 17.
That's up. Ball outside. That's a strike.
Now batting, the right fielder, number 51.
No, no. Steve.
Hold up. Can I speak to the manager?
Ball, that's inside.
Now batting, the second baseman number 33, Noel Prince.
Oh, ball. There's the strike.
Played like last
batting, the shortstop, number 31, Ariana Juarez.
That's a swing.
Now batting, the first baseman, number 49, Blade.
That's high.
If you've time now, batting, the left fielder, number 8.
Ball high.
Now batting, the first baseman, number 23, Austin Dean.
No, high.
Come on, I've seen candles in that apartment.
Ball inside.
Oh, you're inside.
Batting, the second baseman, number 4.
That's high. Nope, that's high. That's ball four.
Now batting, the catcher, number 27.
Ball, that's outside. That's outside.
You could throw a tantrum.
Now batting, the shortstop, number 10.
Nope, inside. Now,
Now batting, the designated hitter, number 22.
pitch hard.
Keep lobbing those beach balls. This is
Ball.
easy.
That's inside. Ball four, take your base.
Now batting, the third baseman.
Now pitching, Gina Quintero.
Steve. That's the strike.
Folks, now batting, the catcher, number 22, Gia Bradshaw.
Ball four. No, inside. Ball ball. That's foul.
Now batting, the center fielder, number 50, Withers
Ball
Owen.
low. Ho, ho. No, no. There's the strike. That's right. Ow.
Now batting, the right fielder, number 16, Sullivan Wilcox.
There's the strike.
You missed.
batting, the designated hitter, number 5, Jaylene Hensley.
No, that's outside.
Let's try putting some
Now batting, the center fielder, number 17.
Nope, that's high. That's a strike. Hey! Out.
Now batting, the right fielder, number 51.
That's a strike. That's high. Nope, outside.
Now batting, the left fielder, number 8.
Ball. Out.
Now batting, the left fielder,
Time.
Now pitching, number 67.
Bring out the butter, 'cause you just got tough here.
Outside. See. Hey. Ball. Ball.
now batting, the third baseman, number 61, Leon Montgomery.
$100 back.
That's down.
Use it.
Go ball. See.
Now batting, the second baseman, number 33, No Vince.
Nope, that's high. That's a strike. Oh, oh.
Now batting, the shortstop, number 31, Ariana Flores.
Oh, ball. That's up. Nope, that's outside. Oh, ball. Pitch hard. Well, I bet you want
Today's mascot. Now batting, the first baseman, number 23, Austin Dean.
Steve. Out.
Now batting, the second baseman, number 4.
They're out.
Now batting, the catcher, number 27.
Out.
Now batting,
Time.
Now pitching, number 50.
That's down.
now batting, the catcher, number 22, Gia Bradshaw.
Ball outside. That's outside. Steve. Take your base.
Now batting, the center fielder, number 15, Withers Cohen.
No, inside. That's the strike. That's down.
Now batting, the right fielder, number 16, Sullivan Wilcox.
See, hey. Out.
Now batting, the designated hitter, number 5, Janine Hensley.
Ball. That's a strike.
You got your helmet on backwards, you goof! Swing the bat!
Yes, sir.
Now batting, the left fielder, number...
Now pitching, number 42.
Hey.
Now batting, the shortstop.
That's time.
Now batting, number 64. Now batting, the designated hitter, number 22.
Nope. Inside. Hey.
Now batting,
Time out.
now base running, number 6.
That's a strike. Ball. No, no.
Now batting, the center fielder, number 17.
No, outside. That's inside. No, inside. That's a strike.
Now batting,
Now pitching, Rain.
Time.
now batting, number 52.
No, that's outside. Oh, oh. Ow.
Now batting, third.
Now pitching, number 11.
Time. That's a strike. You.
Now batting, the second baseman, number 33, Noel Prince.
Steve. Ball. Ball outside.
Now batting, the shortstop, number 31, Ariana Juarez.